Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you this super cute DIY dual color nail design which you could do at home using just transparent tape. Before we begin with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. And now, without any further ado, let's begin. For this design, you will require a base coat, 2 different colored nail paints, top coat, transparent tape, and a pair of scissors. So we'll start off by applying a base coat. Wait till the base coat dries. Once the base coat dries, it's now time to apply our first color. Since this polish is very thin, I'm gonna go in for a second coat once this dries. My nails are now dry, and now I'm gonna apply a second coat of the same polish. Before you move on to the next step, make sure your nails are completely dry, because if we apply tape on wet polish, the polish will peel off when we take off the tape. So let your nails dry completely before heading on to the next step. My nails are now completely dry, and so I'll move on to the next step. Take transparent tape and cut strips of the tape like so. Make sure the strip is a little longer than your nail and place the tape diagonally on your nail like shown. Do this on all the other nails. I've placed the tape on all my nails, and now I'll apply the second polish. Apply a second polish of your choice on the untaped portion of your nail. Whilst the polish is still wet, gently peel off the tape that we applied. Repeat the same on the other nails as well. And that's how your nails will look. When the design has dried, it's time to set it all in using a top coat. And that's how your nails are gonna look. For the final step, dip a flat brush or an earbud in nail polish remover and wipe off the excess polish. And there you have a really cool DIY dual color nail art that's super easy to do.
Yeah!